you get the name Guitar Home?
Just since I was here in Nairobi, I asked him to pick some local names close to my original name.
Mr. Guitar?
Yes, nice
Njoroge.
Okay.
Good to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How did you get the name Guitar Home?
Just since I was here in Nairobi, trying to be native here.
So someone just told you you're a guitar?
No, I asked him to pick some local names close to my original name. My original name is Gao, G-A-O, so somehow close to guitar. Yeah.
So thank you so much for inviting us.
Okay.
Oasis Garden. What's the inspiration behind these whole apartments?
This project we're doing here, because we have a very long time experience in Nairobi in real estate.
Yes.
Our company was here in
2005.
for more than 17 years actually.
Yes.
All right. So we noticed that in this market there's a huge demand for small apartments.
Yes.
So 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and 3 bedroom.
Yes.
There's a huge demand.
Yes.
So we designed this project in this area, especially in Pics in this area.
Yeah.
So currently, at this moment, there's no too much options for this type of apartments.
Yes.
So we think there's a huge demand. So we want to provide such products.
Yeah. If I want to buy this apartment.
Okay, 6 million. We are asking for 6 million. Yeah.
For the 1 bedroom.
1 bedroom. Yeah.
So the 2 bedrooms going at how much?
2 bedroom is 9 million.
9 million and the 3 bedroom is how much?
13 million.
How much?
13.
13 million.
Yeah.
And those also, I was saying the rates are actually rented out for the 1 bedroom for 50,000, 60,000.
Yeah.
What other projects do you guys already, which other projects have you already done?
Okay.
That you can actually check out as people check out this project?
No problem. We have done, like Heartland Homes Garden on Nairobi Road. Actually, it's just completed June last year.
Okay.
Now it's fully occupied.
Let me ask you from your experience, what do you think really differentiates you? Because around these valley roads and Lavington and Kimani, there's so many apartments which are coming up.
Sure.
So how do you guys differentiate yourselves with the other apartments which are coming up left, right, and center?
Our project, and we care about the living experience of the clients.
Yes.
So our project is mostly the biggest difference is we provide more open space for the tenants, for the owners, the residents. So, for example, for this particular project we're doing here, City Oasis, we provided a very big sky garden in the middle, in the central middle. So the project is a U-shaped design.
U-shaped design.
Yeah, so enable all the residents are facing the garden.
Yes.
And the garden is not small, it's very big. So it's a better living experience and beautiful and comfortable.
That's good because it was actually going to lead me to the next question. You said about a garden. There are so many apartments which are coming up. How are you guys environmentally making sure it's still, there are trees, there's still a lot of green? Because people want a lot of green.
Definitely.
So it's not a brick.
Because so we have pulled down the greens.
Yes.
So we will bring back the greens as well.
Okay.
Yeah, so we will try our best to ensure the garden is a real garden, a green area. And even we'll provide the chairs to enable the residents to have space to rest.
My audience, our audience is mostly based on diaspora. So the Kenyans who are living in the United States, United Kingdom, and such. How are you guys able to address their concerns if someone is interested in purchasing a property?
We rely on our agent friends.
Yes.
Because we don't really have connection with the expert.
Yes.
Abroad.
Yes.
Yeah. So normally it's the agents help them to come to the site.
Yes.
And to check out. They will have, it's better to have a video call. They will send them the software brochures. That kind of stuff.
The other question that I need you really to ask, affordable housing. I want to know your personal opinion. And then in terms of this, is it a big in Kenya? Can someone who is not earning as much as probably 200,000, 300,000 be able to afford these kinds of apartments? Is it affordable?
It is. Our company's strategy is economic, reliable, and affordable.
Yes.
And functional as well, actually. So we have the confidence compare with our competitors. Our product and especially at this location, this area, with our finishing is quite decent.
It's quite decent.
A
lot of residents around are saying that so many buildings are coming up.
Sure.
As Oasis Garden, What have you guys done so that you can be able to integrate yourself with the local community? And secondly, the resources around here, water, sewerage, electricity. How you guys been able to integrate that so that there are no issues, because there's so many buildings which are coming up, especially in this part of the area.
Actually, even before we started the project, we have already done our research.
Yes.
And even we have cooperated with your government, the NEMA, the NCA. You know, we have such discussion already.
Yes.
We have a solution as well.
Yes.
So we can ensure, only if we can qualify the demand of such consumptions, like water, power in this area, even the traffic, and then the government will approve. So we get approved first. The project we get approved first, then we start. Instead we already started, and then people comes to the concern. No, such concern. No. It's because we have our research already, and we have discussing with the government and the scientists and the engineers, and even we have discussed with the neighborhood as well. So we can ensure this even this project come up, and it's even helping the community. The whole areas is more prosperous, it's more healthy instead of more jobs.
That's very good. Thank you so much, Mr. Gitaru. It was such a pleasure.
Thank you.
Thank you for taking your time.
It's great.
If you're interested, we'll put their contacts below, and then you can talk to them guys.
Okay.
So thank you so much.
No worries.